Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Last night, around midnight, Chicago time, our beloved Chicago Blackhawks fell to the Las Vegas Golden Knights 4-3. So sad. In honor of that, you can see I'm wearing my sweater. Go Blackhawks next year. They were the youngest team, and they were the 12th seed against the number 1 seed, Las Vegas Golden Knights. So they did well in spite of the circumstances. So today, I'll be shaving off my playoff beard right here. Pretty decent beard growth. I didn't grow it for the full length of the playoffs. This was only, probably not even a week, but let's get rid of it. I don't like the itching and the scratching. What I'll use to remove it, Feather Artist Club Japanese style razor. Let's pop a blade in there. It uses proprietary blades. I will use the Feather Professional Super Blade right here. So let's pop a blade in. I'll show you how to do that. Just insert the little circle right at the end here. You can actually do this without touching the blade. Squeeze the spine. I have to hold it this way so it doesn't fall out. Squeeze the spine and then push the blade directly in, and it just goes right into the razor head and drops in place. You can see it, it's in there. Once you release, it's locked in. It will not fall out, and I did that without touching the blade, which is pretty cool. You can still pop the blade out and insert it on your own if you want to do that. But this way you insert it without touching it. If you're using it on clients, if you're a barber. And this is the choice of most professional barbers, the Feather Artist Club, whether it be the folding version or the Japanese style like this. By the way, both the folding and the Japanese come in 3 different colors. This is a black handle. There's also a pinkish reddish handle, which is called wine. And then there's a green handle, which is called lime. So you can get those. Black is the most popular, FYI. All right, so I will make it a red shave today in honor of our Chicago Blackhawks. I will use Parasso Red Sandalwood Shaving Cream. I'll use Parasso Red Sandalwood Pre-Shave. I will use Parasso Red Sandalwood Aftershave Splash. Fine Stout Brush, red and white. And Shave Nation Lather Bowl, red. Because we're seeing red today. All right, let me warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. Actually, let's mix up a lather first. Let's warm up this bowl under some hot water. Let's drop our brush in a cup of hot water as well. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. Let's drop it right in there. Now it's saturated. That's what the synthetic brush looks like when it's wet. Just let that soak for a minute while I warm up the bowl. I just warm up the stone under the hot water. Okay, now I'm just going to squirt a little bit of this Parasso Red right into the bottom. That much right there. Remove the brush. Shake off the water. You shake off more water than usual with a synthetic brush. It doesn't retain the moisture as well, so you got to get rid of most of the water from it. All right, let's go right in here and mix a lather. Starts off a little bit sudsy, but once you keep moving the brush across the bottom, the lather spot, it thickens up. Lots of lather. Check it out. Look at that. Beautiful. If you want to mix a little more, you'll get more lather. I have plenty of lather for 2 or 3 passes. We'll see if we can get done in 1. This razor is the razor that can do it, if any razor can do it. Let me warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, while the face is still wet, let's apply some of this pre-shave, the Parasso Red Sandalwood. Not much left in here. Just scoop out a little bit. Right to the face. Massage that in, soften up the beard. Now we'll apply our shaving cream directly on top of the pre-shave. Plenty of lather here. Smells wonderful. Nice sandalwood scent. Mustache area. Now a little figure eight method. Smooth everything out. Drive that lather right into the beard. Soften it up. Prepare it for the shave to come. What do we do now? Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Here we go. It's playoff beard removal time. I will start on the right side. I'm just going to cut the sideburn nice and easy. Right there. Perfect. Now I'll stretch the skin, work my way down. Let's rinse that off. Lots of stubble on that razor. Now the other side. As you can see, this razor doesn't play around. It takes it right off. Right down the neckline. Excellent. Mustache area, just scoop right under the nose. Inflate the cheek so you have a flat surface to go against, to glide over. One pass. Check it out. Feather Artist Club Japanese style razor. Let me rinse off. Okay, that's one pass. Look at this. Baby smooth. Beard is completely gone. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block and soak that under the cold water. Spin it up a bit. Just glide that all around the areas you just shaved. Seal off any small nicks. Tighten the skin. Close the pores. Excellent finish to the shave. Let's pat the face dry. You can see I do have a couple little bumps right here, which is totally normal. When you have heavier beard growth, they start to curl around and go up against your skin and try to grow back in, so you'll get some bumps once in a while. I got a couple of them on both sides, but those will go away within just a few hours. Let's finish up with the Parasso Aftershave Splash, Sandalwood. A nice light splash for summer. Activate the ingredients, slap it on. Ah, wonderful. Here's a final look at the Feather Artist Club Japanese style razor. If you want to pick one of these up, just click below where it says show more, any of these other items. There will be links right down there. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter whatever you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. By the way, these Feather Super Professional blades, these are most like a traditional straight razor. So if that's what you're looking for, this is the one you want. But check the website. There's detailed description on all the 5 different blades. There's Light, ProGuard, Professional, Super, and the pink one. Can't think of the name right now. Comfort, whatever it is. But there's 5 different ones. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, and then click the bell, and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. You won't miss one. Appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. We're out. I'm out. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.